We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If you want 4K resolution with or without HDR, you need high-speed HDMI cables. There is also a premium high-speed HDMI certification for Ethernet and non-Ethernet cables. Most cables purchased after 2009 are high-speed and will pass a 4K signal to your screen.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.